Hello, my name is Sean and today I'm going to show you how to change the door handle on this Hotpoint washer dryer. But before we start, please make sure you've isolated the appliance from the mains. Quite often when the door handle breaks, the door will be in the closed position, so you've been unable to open the door. So the first thing we're going to do is to open the door. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the lid. It's held on by two Phillips screws at the rear of the machine. Now normally when you open the door handle, it pulls the pecker across and you can open the door like that. Obviously when it's broken it won't move, we'll have to do it manually with a screwdriver. Now if I bring the screwdriver, prise it along like that. Now that we have the door open, we're going to remove the door from the cabinet, which is secured by four 7mm bolts. If I remove the screws, now we're going to prise the door apart using a couple of screwdrivers. Now if we just turn the door over. We can see the door handle. Now the door handle's got a pin running through it. If you look at the other side, it's running through the pecker and it's held with a spring also. Now we're going to remove the pin. Now as we reassemble the door handle, you will see that you'll have to line this pin through the spring, pecker and door handle. There. Now we're ready to reassemble the door. You notice a locator here on the door frame, which locates to there on the door glass. Just put these together. Like that. Now the door outer. Together. Just give it a squeeze all the way around. Now we'll replace the 6 screws. Now we refit the door. Check the door works okay. And that is how you change a door handle on a Hotpoint washer dryer. Washer dryer spares and spares for all appliances are available on the Ransom Spares website. Thank you for watching.